is Reba Turner Smith, and I'm the hatchery manager at the Eastern Shore Lab. I've been in that role for 10 years now. I got my bachelor's of science in biology from James Madison University, and while I was in my undergrad career there, I immersed myself in a molecular lab that was looking at the molecular mechanisms of copepod embryos. So with that experience, I was able to kind of get a taste of what it looked like at the beginning of life, which was really incredible and fulfilling, and kind of piqued an interest in me. The Eastern Shore is really special to me. I grew up here, and being able to provide services and learn more about the habitats that we have here was really important to me. I came home to the Eastern Shore each summer, and I was able to be an intern here at the Eastern Shore Lab. And that job was really beneficial to me in that I was able to be a small part of a lot of different projects and see what a career in marine science would look like, see what aquaculture looked like here on the shore, see the impact that aquaculture made here on the shore, and just really knew that I wanted to be a part of that. That helped me kind of fine-tune and funnel my career to get me to the position that I am today. Running the hatchery here solo brings a lot of varied tasks, so my day-to-day operations aren't always the same. Microalgae and larvae are really needy and really sensitive animals, so you have to devote a lot of time and effort to provide those optimal conditions to produce the best product that you can. So on any given day, you could find me in the algae room preparing media or inoculating new cultures. You could find me in the broodstock room cleaning tanks in there or handling broodstock, getting them ready for spawning. You can find me cleaning in the hatchery any day of the week. That's a big thing here, is just keeping everything as nice and pristine and clean as you can. And then once it comes time to do spawning, I'm inducing spawns from different shellfish species or different shellfish lines, depending on what grants we have going on at the time. And once I have, successful spawns and embryos from there, I have to nurture those embryos as they develop into larvae, and then nurture those larvae through daily tasks, daily feeding, and then hopefully staggering those steps as much as I can to make it so my life isn't super crazy in the hatchery each day. But time management is definitely an important skill that you have to fine tune. My favorite part of this job is just the variety that I get to experience. So I have the luxury of being able to learn about and spawn and grow a lot of different species. I am also able to, try different techniques in the hatchery, even if things don't pan out the way that you're planning to or hypothesized, that you're still learning from it. I definitely anticipate to be involved in shellfish aquaculture for the long haul. I mean, this has been an extremely gratifying field to be a part of. I've been really involved in the bay scallop restoration work here, and that's been proven to be really successful to the point of us having, a stable population out there now. But overall, just seeing, the commercial interest pick up for that species in particular has been really rewarding. I would absolutely tell someone to get as much varied experience as they can. Someone can have this dream of what their career will look like, but then once it comes time to do the work that's required for that career, they might find that it's not, for them. I would also encourage folks to just connect with people in the aquaculture field and to maintain those connections. The aquaculture folks are just pretty awesome. Being able to develop and nurture those connections is really important too. So another really cool thing about shellfish aquaculture is that whatever you put into it is exactly what you're going to get out of it. So, you devote a lot of time and energy and effort into nurturing your product, you're going to see that time and effort come out in your really nice product, which can be really satisfying and fulfilling if you're putting the work in.